to next options. Okay, so in ls command, yesterday we have discussed one concept called permission. Do anyone remember that? Permission. So what is meant by permission, and can anyone brief about that permission what we have discussed yesterday? Permission? No, ma'am. No, okay, ma'am. So why we are using that permission, and what is the how many parameters are available in permission?
Read, write, execute.
Read, write, execute is there. So here I am giving ls minus l. I'm long listing. Okay, now I am in which folder? So here I am in root folder. Okay, here I am in root folder. Okay, for read, how many? What is the read access permission? What is the actual value for read access permission?
4,
4. Okay, for write,
2,
write 2. For x, that is x is nothing
1,
but an executable. What is that? 1.
1.
Okay, now, okay, if it is now, can anyone say we can change the permission or we can access? We can, so suppose if I'm having one folder called day 3, so I'm the owner of that folder. Okay, can I change the access rights or can I change the permission to users or group or others? So we are going to discuss about the change permission now. Okay, so here wait, I will move to my home page now. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to access in day 3 folder. This is my folder. I am the owner of the folder day 3. So inside that nothing is there. So I'm creating some directories here. So what is the directory I'm creating is I'm creating model 1. So some directory here I'm creating. Okay. Model 1 directory I'm creating. Okay. Then what I'm trying to do, I'm creating some file. Okay. I'm creating some file using some editor. So I'm creating test file. Okay, so after creating file, I have created file by using va editor. So now the editor has been opened. Here this is my file. Okay, since it is a new file, it is showing. So now I am in which mode? So while using the editor, we are having two mode. One mode is command mode and one mode is insertion mode. So immediately opening the editor, you will be in command mode. So now I am in command mode. Okay, now I'm trying to change to insert mode. So I'm pressing I. Okay, see, so I'm pressing some contents here. Some contents I'm typing here. Okay, then I'm pressing some contents, let it be there. Then I'm coming out of it. Okay, okay, now what I'm trying to do, in my in my day 3 folder, I'm having one directory called module 1 and I'm having one file called test. Okay, these are the two things I'm having. Now I'm going to check with ls minus r. Now I'm going to change the permission. So before changing the permission, I'm going to long listing the file. See, so I think someone is echoing. Please mute it off. See, this is module 1. Okay, module 1 is a directory. So only see what is the answer you are getting is D. So these first 10 parameter indicates your permission. That is we discussed yesterday. That first character here is a D. D is nothing but your directory. That is blue color. It is showing here. Okay, that is well and good. See, read, write, execute. What is the number here? So I'm having for directory. Okay, so I'm checking for directory. What is the number here? Read will be 4. Am I right? Read will be 4. Next, write will be 2. Next, x will be, x is nothing but your execute. Okay, execute will be 1. Okay, so totally here I'm having 7. That is 7 for user. Then you say for others also, what will be the others? That is, sorry, what will be the group? So group, what I'm having for group, what is the read? Read what I'm having. For group also I'm having read access C. For group also, I'm having read access, write access, and executable access. So as usual, group for read is 4. See, one question I would like to ask here. Read, I am saying no. Here, read means what is the user can do here? I am saying read access, write access, and executable access. What is here? I am discussing that 567 parameter. 567 parameter indicates your group access. That is group users. Here, my question is here, read access octal value is 4. What I'm trying to say means read means what as the user or what the group users can do in that file. Reading, then they can list out all the files and folders. They can view all the files and folders. Read means that is what here. Write access means they can modify the file. They can delete some content. They can what is what they can delete the content. They can update the content. They can override the content. That is what. Then executable access means what they can do. Read, okay, you are listing out, you are viewing how many directories are there, how many files are there, what are the subfolders, you are viewing all the things. That is reading. Writing, write access, access values, that is actual values too. Here you are editing, all the editing, updating, that cut, copy, paste, every options you are doing. Then next access is executable access means what? What as a user you can do? That is group user. You people are group user. For executable access, they are given X with the octal value as 1. So executable means what you can do in that case. You can run the file. Okay, see here also the same case they are given for read a 2 and executable 1. Okay, next for coming to the point of others. Others what they are given here. See, consider here. That is what I'm saying is consider this. Here I have given read access. Read access, the octal value is 4. Here write access. So write access, the octal value is 0. Okay, because I didn't give any permission. This is by default. See the one. See, this is the default one. Am I right? This is a default one. So read hyphen x. So write access is 0. Sorry, I have given O. Sorry, 0. Then for executable access, I have given. So can anyone say what is the default permission? Can anyone say what is the default permission for directory? Can anyone say? That is nothing but user plus group plus others. Sorry, others. That is nothing but user is, what is the answer for user? 7. Am I right? See, I am discussing this thing, this permission I am discussing. For whom I am discussing? I am discussing for this directory. Okay, so for directory, for user, what is the access? User is nothing but you are the owner, right? See, yes, someone has posed the answer. Yes, 775. Yes. So 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. That is for user. 4 plus 2 plus 1 for other group users. Then 4 plus 1 for others. Is it okay now? So only the answer is 4 plus 2 plus 1. This is for user. Next one. For others, that is the same case. 4 plus 2 plus 1. This is for group users. Am I correct? Next, what I am giving is for others 4 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. So what is the default file permission? What is the default file permission for accessing a directory is 775. Is it okay now? Okay. Now one question arises here. Here, see, I have denied the access right for others. Am I right? What is the access right I have denied for others? I have denied the access rights for others. Which access I have denied? I have denied the writable access. Am I correct or not? So here in my case, my directory is secure one. Am I correct or not? Because my user, I am the user, I am the owner, I am having every rights. Read, write, access. Sorry, read, write, executable. I am giving my access, the same rights to my user group only. So there I am giving the same access, read access, write access, executable access. So here coming to the point of others, what access here I am denying? Here I am denying that editable access. So the particular other person can just view the file, thus they can execute the answer. So by default, no, what is happening here? The kernel will, okay, the kernel will mask it. Okay, that is kernel will hide it here. Okay, hide the permission. By default, suppose if I'm giving like this, okay, suppose by default the kernel has hidden the hidden the access rights for others. So only you are getting answer is 775, or else what is the answer you will be getting? 777. Am I right? So by default, what has happened based on considering the security features, the kernel has hidden the, that is kernel has hidden the option value, has hidden the which access right here, right access right to whom? Others people. Am I right? Why? Because for security features. So only you are getting a default access as 775. Or else what will be the answer? It will be 777. Am I right now? The same 7 for user. Okay. Same 7 for user. Same 7 for group user. The same 7 for, sorry, the same 7 for others also. Am I right or not? But what is happening here? Here it has been hidden based on who is hidden here. The kernel by default it is hiding it. That is masking. This concept we will be saying at masking concept. So we can change. We can change here now. Execute by default it is like this only, sir. By default, if I want, we can change the access right, but there is some special command is there. Now we will discuss now. So by default I'm saying, then we will go further now. So by default it is happening like this. Okay, so default file formation for directory is 775. How it is happening now? Here, what is happening now? Here, unmask number. See, you just put the command umask. What is the answer I am getting? 002. So what the hidden, what I have hidden means how many permissions here I have hidden. I have hidden two permission. That two permission is write permission. 002. Okay, if I didn't hit this, what is the answer you'll be getting? You'll be getting answer as 777. Am I right? Able to follow me or not? Right now, because by default, see, this is the default keyword. This Umask is a default keyword. That is here the kernel by inbuilt, they are hiddening the access rights for others. So what is access right? They are hiddening. They are hiddening the access rights for right access. So only I am getting the answer as 002. Or else, what is the answer I am getting here? Here I will be getting 777. Right? Now, so default access is 777, sorry, 775 for to whom? For directories. See, now I am discussing this directory only, module 1 directory. It may be any directory. Is it okay now? Now clear everyone? Okay, now what I'm trying to do, the same case now I'm checking here. Which case I'm checking now? In my, now I am in which page? Sorry, I am in home page. Sorry, where? Sorry, I'm in desktop mode. I'm in desktop, I'm in day 3. I'm having one directory, that is module 1 we have discussed. Next, I'm discussing for this file. I'm having one file and folder, no. One for directory we have discussed. Now I'm discussing for file. Can anyone say what will be the default file permission for files? See, coming to the point, this one, you just highlight it. See the first character. As I indicates, yesterday I think we have discussed. The first character may be D means directory, hyphen means file. So hence it is a hyphen. So it is a file. Here my file name is test. Am I correct? Another one small clue is if it is a white color, it is file only. So here the first character is hyphen, so it indicates file. Here my file name is test. So it is coming to the second parameter, that is second, third, fourth. See, second, third, fourth, what they have given is read access, write access, no executable access. Okay, third case, see, coming to the point. Sorry, here, sorry, the hyphen indicates, sorry, uh, hyphen indicates your file. Okay, hyphen indicates your file. Next, what I'm trying to do here, in case of file, okay, for user access, user permission is, that is, it may be your user, or it may be your, that is, we can say as admin, or you can say as owner, anything it can be. So owner permission is, what is the owner permission? Read access is 4, and write access is 2. Am I correct? So totally, so total, so totally for file, what is the total access? File user accesses, what is what? 4 plus 2 plus 0. So you'll be getting answer 6. Am I correct? See, where I am discussing means I am right? I am discussing this. I'm discussing for file. Here my file name is just, yes, answer is correct. Yes, ma, 664 only. Correct, correct, 657. See, this is for user 4 plus 2 plus 0. For group user, the same thing. Read access I have given, write access I have given. I have given what access? Executable access I didn't give. So 4 plus 2 plus 0. For group user, it is 6. Then coming to the point of others, I didn't give write access and I didn't give executable access. So I have just given only read access. So default 4 plus 0 plus 0. For others, it will be 4. So only you are getting answer is 664. Now is it correct now? It's a default one. It's a default one. So I am typing here where it is ma, one second. So the coming to the now user I have discussed. Now coming to the point of group user, the group user also associated with the particular user. So for group user also, what is the access they are given? They are given read access as 4, write access as 2, and executable access as 0. So you are getting answer as 6. Now coming to the point of others, for other users, what they are given access? For others, what is the answer here? See the folder, see this permission, see this. Is it okay now? Or hyphen hyphen 4 plus 0 plus 0. Is it okay? Are you able to follow me now? Okay, fine. So I'm giving, changing here. 4 is read access, 0. That is, I didn't give write access, so 0. I didn't give executable access, so 0. So I'm getting answer as 4. Is it correct? So what will be the default file permission? Default permission, permission for file in octal value. What will be the answer here now? What will be the answer? 664, correct now? So user plus group user plus others. That is nothing but 664. Is it okay? one thing I would like to say, whether this particular file, I'm having one file. Here I have checked the file for test, whether this particular file is now secureable or not. My question is, I am getting answer as 664 in octal value. For the file called, here my file name is test. My question is whether this my file called test is secureable or not as of now. Secure one, I have given security, or it is not securable. Yes, it is securable only. Because see the last one. See the coming point of others. Just they are given the option for only read access. It is by default here the kernel itself providing the access. Kernel itself providing access rights to that particular others like this only. So it is providing security here. So it is hiding. That is, it is hiding or it is denying the access rights for denying the access rights, write access and executable rights for others. It is okay now. So default value for file is 664 for file. For directory it will be 775. So coming to this case. So next case one is there. See, let it be here. Sorry. Here, actual access is what? Suppose if comes coming to the point of file. Here, one second, mine is not. One second. Uh, Here, my answer is I'm giving 664. Okay, now you are saying is a securable one. Okay, yes, it is securable. Suppose if security is not provided, then what will be the answer here? My question is for 666. Yes. How it will be there? Because here for others also what I'm giving, I'm giving that access rights. What access rights I'm giving? Executable access rights I'm giving. So by default, it is answer will be changed to 666. Here, another question arises. Here, the particular file may be securable or unsecurable here. In this case, now the octal value is 666. I have given the access rights to others also. Others also, that others means any third party. They can change the file, they can edit anything they can do, but I am the owner. Now the current actual value is 666. Now my question is whether this file is securable or not. Securable, unsecurable. Huh? Now I am giving permission. Now I am giving others also permission as accessing permission. That is executable permission. Now I am giving. So only I am getting answers 666. So now my question is securable or not. See, some of your friends have posted on yes and not securable. Yes, it's
It's
not
not
securable, right?
securable, ma'am.
Yes. Prakash, are you able to understand now? Hmm. So what happened here? You just find it, see, you mask value. So here also that access rights they are denying here. Okay, now let it be that this is a default one. Now what I'm trying to do, consider the same file. That is where I am in desktop, I am day 3, I'm giving just ls minus l, I'm giving. Okay, let it be that I'm having one folder and I'm having one test as file. Okay, my file name is test. Now I want to change the permission. Okay, I want to change the access rights. Okay, for that what command you will be using now? Cmod command you will be using. Change modification. Okay, so Gmod, Cmod command, change modification command is used to change. Okay, used to change the access rights. Okay, used to change the access rights to the. See what I'm trying to do. Now I want to change the permission. Okay, so what is the command here I'm using is chmod command is using. So chmod command is nothing but change modification command. Why we are using this change modification command is which is used to change the access rights. Here access right means it may be read access or it may be write access or it may be executable access to whom I want to change. I want to change for others or I want to change for group users. So I may change for any particular folder. Am I right? Or I may change for any folder. So only here I have written the word cmod modification command, which is used to change the access right to group users or other users for based on any particular file or any particular folder. Now it is clear now. Now how we can access this command? The change command now I am using this cmod command. Now I will try with the same example. This module and module one example itself. Now I will try. Okay, chmod. Okay. Now what is the access here I am giving? Okay, suppose if I'm giving like this. Okay, suppose if I'm giving like this I'm giving some number, I'm giving like this, I'm giving to which file. Here I'm having one file called test file. Okay, because I am the owner of this folder called day3, so I am giving this access to this test file. Okay, let it be there. Now what I'm checking is, now I'm checking with command. Which command I want to check here? What is the command here I want to check? Whether access rights has been changed or not. I have changed the permission. See, I have changed the access right by using change mod command. Here I'm giving access right as 645. For which file I'm giving access right? Test file. My file name is test. I am the owner of that particular file. That is day3. Yes, that is ls minus l. Yes, Nimita. So here I'm giving l, one second, ls minus l. Now you go and check. See, have you seen the difference here? Have you seen the difference here? Are you able to see? In this case, as usual, the first thing indicates a hyphen. No issues. Right? Second case, second, third parameter, that is I am the owner or I am the admin or I am the user, read access, write access I have given. So 4 plus 2 plus 0, right? Then what is the answer here I have given for others? That is group users, how I have given. Group users I have given only read access. So or is enabled. Okay, see what is the number here I given? 645. So 4 means, so it's just considering your read access alone. So write access is denied, so 0. Your executable access is denied, so 0. So finally, for group users, what is the access rights I have given? I have given just only 4. 4 is nothing but your read access. Next, coming to the other users. So other users, what I have given? I have given read access. That is read access actual value is 4. Next, what I have given? I have given write access as 0. Okay, next I have enabled executable access. So executable access is 1. So 6 plus, sorry, 4 plus 0 plus 1, 5. So only see here I have given the permission as, sorry, here I have given as 645. Is it okay now? To which file here I have indicated? Here I have indicated for test value. Okay, now one question arises. Yes, ma'am. Yes, next example I will come. Now I have tested for a file. So one of your friends what he has asked means, ma'am, like this I want to change the permission for directory also. Yes, we can change the permission for directory also. Okay, now we will move to next one. S- mm, one second, where I am. See, now again I'm changing this access. Okay, now again I'm changing this 6 something I'm changing. Now I'm checking ls minus l. See, it is changing now. Now it is able to follow this concept. Okay, now the same change mod for directories. Okay. So what is the default one for directory here? For directory, what will be your default file permission? Directory I'm asking. 7, 775. Okay, now I'm having which folder I'm having? I'm my directory name is here module 1. So I'm checking for module 1. So ch, what is the command means? This is the command we have to give. Ch command. So ch command. Now I'm giving my access rights here. Okay, now I'm giving my access rights. Okay, suppose here I'm giving my access rights as, okay, what I have done means just I'm giving access like this. Then I'm checking with uh, ls minus l command. See, this is my folder. Okay, here I have given the access rights for the module one. What is the access rights here I have given us? Just triple four. Just I have given only the read access. Read access for all the users. Okay, here see, for owner, that is for owner or admin or user, I have given only read access. That is read equal to 4, 4 plus 0 plus 0. So 4 for admin or owner. Second case, that is fifth, sixth, seventh parameter. Fifth, sixth, seventh parameter is nothing but your group users. So here I have given only the read access, 4 plus 0, again 4. The same case, coming to the point of others also I have given only the same case, that is only read access. I have denied write access and I have denied executable access. So 4 plus 0 plus 0. So in all together, for user it is 4, for group user it is 4, for others it is 4. I'm giving the permission as triple 4, for which directory I am given. This is the syntax here. Okay, now are you able to follow the syntax? Change mod is the command. Change mode is the command. The first parameter is your change mode, that command you are passing. Okay. Second parameter what you are passing is nothing but you are that permission, that is access permission you are giving. That is access permission you are passing. Third parameter, to which directory you are passing. That is, it may be either your file name. You can pass either to file name, or you can pass to direct folder name. Is it okay now? Are you now clear with the permission concept? Still, here I have covered today. I have covered only basics. Still, we can still some basic some concepts is there that we'll be discussing. User administration, that concept will be we will discussing in upcoming classes. This is basic one. Here now, adding user, deleting user, some cases is there. We will be discussing in upcoming classes. As of now, it is okay for today's session. Okay. So one default question I would like to ask: what is the default unmask value? That is umask value. Can anyone say default umask value? Default umask value, that is the value which is hidden by kernel. Why? Yes, it is nothing but your 002. Is it okay now? Yes, fine, Saurabh. Yes. Okay, fine. Okay, this is one of the way. See, here I have changed the access rights. Okay, here I have changed the access rights by using cmod function. That is another way is also there to change the access rights. That is, we will discuss now. One is by using cmod command that we have discussed now. Next one, sorry, ma, one second. Same case we can give in directly also. Wait, so we will discuss. One second, ma. Suppose I'm accessing the same file. Okay, this. I'm accessing this. Sorry, yes, I'm accessing the same test file and module one only. Okay, so I'm giving chmod. Okay, now user. This is another way. User equal to read access, write access, executable access. This is another way. In the previous way, I have given that number. Here I'm giving like this. To whom I am giving like this? To whom? Here my file name is test. Right now, like this also here I can give. Now we will check the result here. Now I'm checking the result. ls minus l. See what is the answer here I have given. See what is the given. This is the command I have given. Cmod. Here also I'm going to change the command. Here I didn't give the octal value, but here I have given this command. User. What is the answer I have given? Read access, write access, executable access for the file test. See the answer you are getting. See here. Is it okay now? See the first parameter, that is hyphen, indicates your file. For user, that is I have given all the access. So read access, write access, and executable access. Okay. Then coming to the point, what is what? That is your owner. Sorry. Second 5, 6, 7 parameter is group user, and 8, 9, 10 is other users. Sorry, one question arises here. Ma'am, here you are given only for user. Okay, if here you are only given for user, that is read write access. You didn't give for group user, or you didn't touch others. But by default, it is coming as read access, read access. Can anyone say the reason? See, here I have modified rights only for to whom? User. Remaining thing by default, it is giving, the kernel is giving just read access only. In that case also, it is providing security. So here also by default it doesn't give, see I'm highlighting it, it doesn't give write access and executable access to group users and other users. Giving for user read access, write access, that is for what I am giving. For group user I am giving just read access alone. For other users I am giving read access. Sorry, suppose I'm giving executable access. Okay, now this is the syntax. You follow the syntax here. In previous case we are just giving that octal value. Here we have to write the syntax which is separated by commas. So to whom? Here my file name is test. Is it okay now? Now again, what I'm going to do? I'm going to check with ls minus l command. That is long listing command. I'm going to check here. This updated, right? Is it okay now? See here what I have given is, here I have given in the command for user, that is owner, I have given read access and write access. Please check here. Yes, for owner it is read access and write access. I didn't give executable access, so I'm getting answer as hyphen. So see, next coming to the point here, group user I have given only R. See coming here, it is only R. Am I right here? That is fifth, sixth, seventh parameter. Next, coming to the point of other users, I am giving only executable file. See here, 8, 9, 10 parameter, read access 0, write access 0, access enabled. Now is it clear now? Okay, fine. Ma'am, I'm working virtual, not able to attend all classes after getting access virtual. Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir. Okay, no issues. Okay, sir, no issues, sir. You can send your assignments or lab exercise during weekends. No issues. We can watch your recordings in weekend. No issues, sir. Is it okay now? Are you clear with this concept? Same case you try with one of the folder ma. Now I have tried with file. Now the same case you try with folder now. So I'm trying with folder. The same thing, just I'm editing here. Here I'm trying with the folder. So module 1. And, here for module 1, what I have given, the same thing, read access, write access, and executable access. Okay, for only the owner or user. Okay, so I am checking with ls minus l command. See here, is it okay now? For owner, that is the first character is directory D indicates. For owner, I have given read access, write access, executable access. See, I didn't touch others group and group users. So by default, it is coming as R. Now it is clear now? Same thing what we have discussed related to file, I am discussing in directories also. Okay, now no confusions here. Okay, fine. Mm, I will check. I will execute the same thing here. My directory name is module 1. Here I have given I have changed the access rights to user, that is owner for read access, write access, group user read access, for others executable access to whom? To the directory. Here my directory name is module 1. Okay, now I'm checking again. See, it has been changed here. Right, I'm highlighting. Wait 1 second. Now it is clear now. See here, I have given for user read access, write access. So it is only enabling read access, write access and disabling executable access. Second case, for group user, I have enabled only read. See, only read is enabled for group users. That is 5, 6, 7 parameters. Then last case for other users, I have enabled only the executable access. See the last parameter 8, 9 and 10. Only executable access is enabled, read and write is denied. Is it clear now? So these are the two ways how we can change the permission by using change mod. Chmod is a basic command. In that case, you can write directly octal value. Okay, we can write directly the octal value for which particular file or which particular folder. Or you can write access rights separately. User equal to, group equal to, others equal to. These are the two ways. The basic thing what we need is chmod command. Is it okay now? Okay, next thing I will move to next topic.